Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove estimated taxes from your Shopify checkout in 2025, quick and easy. If you're a store owner looking to give customers a smoother checkout experience, this guide is for you. First is open your Shopify account and log in. In the home page, click Settings, and then click Taxes and Duties. Scroll down and uncheck the 3 boxes, then click the Save button. Go back and click Online Stores and click Theme. Click the 3 dots icon and then select Edit Default Theme Content. In the search bar, search Taxes, and remove the text from the Checkout General Errors tax boxes, and finally click Save button. Outro. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove estimated taxes from your Shopify checkout in 2025. Super quick. Super simple. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.